I can't do this, Kevin. Hi, my name's Hannah. You may know me from Mat Armstrong's YouTube channel. I am his girlfriend. I am the brains of the business, obviously. So I'm starting a channel. A lot of you have requested this to do sort of behind the scenes of what Matt does. So I'm going to bring that. I'm going to take you through the week of what we do. If you want to see something that I've not filmed, put it in the comments and I will film it. I will do my best. I am here to serve you. So we are here at the minute. We've just got to the unit. I'm literally like shaking. I'm so nervous right now. So the story is, I don't have a car. I had a car, I had a Ford Mustang, but it's gone. It got raffled, it's gone. So at the minute, we're sort of sharing cars. Matt's got an M4. I'm driving that every now and again, but when he's driving it, I have to drive the Maserati. And that is just an awful car to daily drive. We were looking for quite a while for a car, not really sure what we wanted. This car came up, we got it ridiculously cheap. £12,000 Matt paid for it, and in a minute you're gonna find out why. It's an RS5, I know that much. I've seen a few pictures of it, but not many. So I'm at the unit, it's in there, I'm about to go in, I'm about to see it for the first time. I'm shaking. Okay, right, let's just do it, let's go.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Come on, Kevin. So you see these videos on YouTube where the boyfriend gets the girlfriend their dream car. Well, this is the kind of the same thing, but a little bit different. Say hello to your new Audi RS5. Shaking. Do you like it?
Yes, great. Oh my god. And here it is, Audi RS5, 4.2 V8, naturally aspirated. That's about as much spec as I know about it. I'm pretty sure you guys in the comments will know more than me. This is the extent of the damage. Obviously no wing, probably something wrong with the suspension, but we'll find out about that when we get it in the ramp. Do you know what though, actually these wheels, out of all the wheels that we've had, are in quite good condition. Tyres aren't looking very healthy. Look at that, oh my god. One thing I am really excited about this car is the exhaust. It sounds so sick, but the reason for it sounding so good is, I don't know if you can see, but the exhaust is kind of falling off there. So like, from what we've looked at, half of the exhaust is still connected and the other half isn't. So we've got sort of a half straight pipe thing going on there. Obviously we can't keep it like that. We're going to put some sick exhaust on it, I'm pretty sure. I will turn it on for you later. It has no coolant, so I won't turn it on for very long, but I will turn it on later on in the video just so you can hear what it sounds like. My favourite part is the grille. I absolutely love this grille. Umming and ahhing about what sort of wrap we're going to have as well. Matt wants black, keep it stealth. I want something really bright. So we're in two minds about it. Put in the comments what you think we should have. This is a 2012, so it is quite new in here. It is very modern compared to the other Audis that we've had. One thing Matt did say, he warned me that I was going to be disappointed about something. I was wondering if it was going to be the gearbox because I really wanted an automatic, but it is automatic, so I'm happy about that. But there's no heated seats, so I'm going to get a very cold bum in the winter. One thing it does have is cruise control, so happy days about that. I'm so looking forward to driving this car. So we've got leather seats all the way back, black roof, which Matt really likes and so do I. To be fair, actually, the interior condition of this car is not bad at all compared to, like, you know, like the Golf R that we had and the BMW. The interiors were absolutely disgusting, but it looks like the owner of this really cared about it, and you know, the auction that we got it from didn't shit it off either. One thing I was surprised about is this actually works. This does actually go up and down. Are we going to fit a big spoiler to it? I don't know. It's Matt's choice probably, and let's face it, he's probably gonna. This is the boot situation. So when it got delivered, Matt told me that the delivery driver was having a bit of problem with the wing. It was on, but it kept flapping about. So he literally like peeled it off, snapped it off as much as he can and just shoved it in the boot. This is part of the light, the one left of it, but quite good actually because it's got the bolster on it, bulbs, all little bits that we're probably going to need so that's really handy. So looking at the actual crash part of the car, it's not too bad. I mean, we've got a bit of a bend going on there. Crash bar looks alright. Might be a little crack down there. Nothing's certain until we can kind of get it on the ramp and have a proper good look at it. The wheel is far back. You can probably tell this is kind of facing towards us, and that wheel is dead straight. That might be a bit of a problem, sort of a suspension thing. This is where he's snapped it off, so that's nice and safe. And there it is. That's what all the fuss is about. A beautiful V8 engine. Finally, the V8 hoodies make sense again. Definitely needs some silly shine. It is really dirty in here, but Matt's not letting me touch it until he gets his hands on it and starts filming it. So we'll do a cleaning video in the future, I'm sure. That shot is not very nice at all. The poor thing. Right, let's hear this thing. That sounds so good. I can't wait to get a proper exhaust on it. Right, I've pulled up the BMW just to do a bit of comparison. I mean, obviously, looks wise, yeah. But you've just got to have a good imagination for this car. This was 10 times worse when Matt first got it, and look at it now, and this is just gonna look so much better. We have to have it better.
We've got to get in the ramp because that's what it's going to be from our next video. So I'm going to put a bit of coolant in it because it's obviously running dry at the minute. I don't want the water pump to absolutely, can you swear on your channel?
Yeah.
Shit its dick out. So I don't want the water pump to shit its dick out because it's got no water going in it. I'll pour some water in it. It's probably going to piss it straight out, but it's better than having nothing. Then we can roll it in the ramp and actually see what's up with it. That is going to come straight out. I think this little radiator here has got a crack in it, but it's going to take a while for the water to get down to there anyway. So at least it's going round and cooling some sort. We've only got to run it for a little bit before we get in there. Secondary air pump there is absolutely hissing. That is what that's for there. But I just don't know what that is. Second lot of water. Okay. Coolant cap on. Start it up. Well, I'll put it in because you'll crash it again.
Again? I haven't crashed it at all.
Nice. Right, how are we going to get this on? Do you think that'll clear the ramp? Yeah.
Whoa, stop!
What was that?
You're on the broom! You're on... Yeah, you're fine. You're over it. Woo. So all that water I've just put in is just pissed out everywhere.
Thank you. Don't spoil it.
Okay, I'm going to end it there. That was my first video. I'm so sorry if it was really shit. I don't know what I'm doing, but neither did Matt when he first started, so I thought I'd just give it a go.
I don't know what I'm doing now.
I'm not going to show you under the car yet. I'm going to save that for another video. It's looking okay. I'm not going to give too much away, but it's definitely not going to be an easy job for Matt anyway. Matt's done a discount code. Well, actually, I've done a discount code. Hannah10 for 10% off anything off the shop. I'll put a link in my description for the shop, matarmstrong.co.uk. Get one of my t-shirts. But yeah, hopefully you'll stick around for the next video. I'm gonna try and do one once a week. If there's anything else you want to see, let me know in the comments. I can do a house tour. If you want to see more of Kevin, I can do Kevin. But yeah, I'm hoping this went well. We'll see when we edit it. But yeah, see you in the next one.
So you think you were right? bring it on, prove me wrong. Go put up a fight. The where do will knock you